Hello guys, if what to sell has actually been your problem online, I told you you have been covered. Having people like us online that have tried several business online, so I don't see why you should have issues. We have done a lot of business online, from e-commerce, from affiliate marketing, survey, forex, trading, and so many other things. So I'm telling you, if you're just starting out online as a lady, stay at home mom, or as a young guy who is starting out online, or as a student in the high institution, the best business you can actually do to start with, I'm telling you, with low risks, and you are sure of making money. The issues here is not about making money. The issue will be, are you making big money or not? So the easiest business you can actually do online is to sell a product online. Pick a product, get it from vendors in Lagos, from Gigi, and you just sell it with Facebook or an Instagram sponsored ad, and sometimes organically also. So in this video, in my channel, if you subscribe, turn on the bell notification to my YouTube channel and also my TikTok, you'll be getting viable products that are easily sellable. So which means I'm taking off the job of product research from you. Okay, so just subscribe to this channel and you'll be getting videos of some product you should easily pick. Just pick this product, model the advert, and the worst of it, you are not going to be thinking on how to sell it, because this product I'm going to be showing you, they have been taken from sponsored ad, meaning that somebody like you living his or her room is selling same product. So if that person is selling that product massively, it means that if you sell same product, you are going to sell it massively also. So that means that the job of now trying to say what type of ad copy should you use, all you need to do is copy and model the ad copy, the ad headline, and the ad video. In this particular videos, guys, I'm going to be showing you a product that is one of the product that's easily sellable. Remember, there are thousands of products out there that are easily sellable. You can't know the one until you run the ad. Just like a musician will not know the song that will blow until you sing the song for you to know if it's the one that will blow. So similarly, you will have a lot of product you run ad for. They might not be profitable. If you actually know how to set up the ad professionally, you did it, you try all the test data you need to test from the ad, like the ad budget, the ad copy, the ad images or video, and so many other things as I've described. If you don't know how to run Facebook and Instagram ad, check on my YouTube channel playlist, Facebook and Instagram ad, you'll see how to do that. So all you need to do is, guys, pick up this product and you model the advert, sponsored ad. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you one of those products. So without wasting much time, remember to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for next video. So let's go there. Let me show you this product. Alright guys, so I want you to watch out this particular product, which is an amazing product, as this advertiser is making a lot of money selling this product with Facebook and Instagram sponsored ad. As you can see from the screen, it's being sponsored. So I want you to watch the product, and I will tell you exactly how to get this product and how to run this same ad, just like the one that you can see from the screen. Alright guys, so you can see this advertiser, he already has a lot of comment, a lot of engagement. You can see 546k view, 1.4k comment, and 2.8k likes. Okay, so this simply means that this person, if you check the comment, you read the comment, you find out that this person is actually making a lot of sales, okay, with this product. So guys, it's not difficult. As this person is making money, you can also make the same money with this person. And how do you do that? You simply model everything he did. Since the video is using got him that so much engagement, believe me, if you run same video using the ad, you are going to get such engagement too at this particular moment. So all you got to do to model this business is actually you model the content of the advertiser. So such of those content is just the ad copy. You check what the advertiser wrote, you read it, and you find another advertiser like this. So how you just gonna see another advertiser like this? Just search the name of this product, this particular product. You see the name of this particular product is Amazing Multifunction Chopper. So you just come to your Facebook search and you search this keyword, multifunction kitchen chopper. You understand? So you will get the same product. Facebook algorithm will naturally be showing you this particular product. So you can read the content of this advertiser. You read the content of this advertiser. Model, you see the video that the advertiser made. You can actually get these such videos from Alibaba. When you search this product in AliExpress, Alibaba, you see those customized videos that have already been made on this product. You don't even have to make your own product. Pick that video, you just edit it and put your own information. But if you want your own, you can just pick the video, mute the video voice, then put your own voice. You understand? So like I told you, if you don't know how to edit videos, how to do all these things, it's easy. Just go to my channel, go to YouTube, search for Opportunity Snitch, and you search for the playlist video editing. You can manipulate this, have similar video, put your own voice on the videos. Okay, you can get this video by searching this keyword on multifunction chopper from AliExpress or Alibaba. You have videos that the producer of this product have already made for you. Okay, so once you have done that, all is left is now to set up your Facebook sponsored ad, just like this one. Same headline, same ad copy, same headline, same ad copy, similar videos, and believe me, you are going to make a lot of sales just like this person is doing. Guys, I told you, this 2024, you don't have to dull yourself. If you are broke, it's your business, and now you lose God. Then, so for you to get this product, lastly, actually, you go to Jiji. You will see vendors in Nigeria that are selling this product. Okay, so you contact them that you need this product. If you have money, you can buy in bulk, like buy 10 pieces, 12 pieces, or you try with just 2 first. If it's sellable and it's easily sellable, you can buy more. If you don't have money, you can network with the person and tell the person, the seller, the vendor on Jiji. How you get it? Just search this multifunction chopper on Jiji, Jiji.ng, Nigeria. You see vendors from Lagos selling this product. You can network with them, as always told you. Say, okay, I am an advertiser guy. I want you to give me a discount for this product because I'm going to be selling it massively for you. This person will give you a discount, so you can decide to buy one without taking it to your destination. You sell it online with Facebook, and you tell, when you get an order, you now tell the vendor to send it on your behalf. So you already pay the vendor. Then you tell the vendor that the customer receiving this is pay on delivery. So it's going to give it to the delivery agent for them to deliver nationwide, like GIG, Data Nation, Logistic. They will deliver and collect your money and send to you, as pay on delivery. So this is basically how to run this business within your room without spending much money. Okay, so there are numerous products like this. I'm going to be showing you more. Like this video, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification to our channel. See you in the next video.